Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to calculate ROL or reorder level in Microsoft Excel. Here I have created a custom function for calculating the ROL that has 4 arguments like product, data source, average lead time and maximum lead time. In this sheet I have the data of days, the product names and quantity sold. And here I have given the formula approach I used for calculating the ROL, that is average daily sales multiplied with average lead time plus safety stock. And this safety stock formula is maximum daily sales multiplied with maximum lead time minus average daily sales multiplied with average lead time. This lead time is the days difference between product ordering date and receiving date. Suppose that if you provided the order of washing machine today and if you get this product after 5 days, then the 5 days is the lead time. And in practical case, the lead time may be different for different purchases. Like today if you order washing machine, sometimes you may get it in 5 days, sometime you may get it in 7 days, sometime you may get it in 4 days. So there will be two types of lead time. One is the average lead time and other is the maximum. So we have to provide the average lead time and the maximum lead time in the formula. And in this type of data, to apply this manual formula will take long time because we have to identify the maximum daily sales, average daily sales for every single product. So here I have created the ROL function by using Visual Basic for applications. Let me use the function here. Press equal to type ROL bracket open. First select the product name for which you want to calculate ROL, that is the product name given here. So click on this cell, put a comma. In the data source, select your data range excluding the column headers. This is the data. Then put a comma. And here in the average lead time, provide the average lead time for washing machine. For example, let me put 5. Put a comma. And in the maximum lead time, put the maximum lead time for this product. That is 9 days for example. Close bracket and press enter. And here you see this is the reorder label for washing machine. When the closing stock or current stock in hand goes below this level, you have to immediately place the order. Now if you change the product name from here, the reorder label automatically changes. Let me take dishwasher and here you see the reorder label is given. By comparing this reorder label with the current stock in hand, you can take a decision on whether to provide the purchase order or not. Now let's learn how you can create this function in Microsoft Excel. To create this ROL function in Excel, you need to have the VBA code that creates the function. The required VBA code is here in this notepad document. Let me open this. Here you see this is the code required. I will provide this code download link in the video description below, from where you can copy this code. First of all, select all this code, then copy. Go to Microsoft Excel. Click on the developer tab, then Visual Basic. Click on the insert menu, then click on module. In the module page, right click and paste the code that you have copied. Now you can close this VBA window. If you click on the cell, then press equal to type RO. Here you see the ROL function is here in the list. Double click on this to choose. In the product, click on the product name, comma. In the data source, select the data range, comma. In the average lead time, provide the average lead time, for example 4 days. In the maximum lead time, provide the maximum lead time, for example 7 days. Close bracket and press enter. Here you see the reorder label for dishwasher is 168 unit. If the stock level of dishwasher is equal to or below this number, then you have to immediately provide the purchase order. Finally, if you want to save this ROL function in the workbook, then you have to save this workbook as a macro enabled Excel file. For that, click on the file tab, save as, and here in the type of the file you have to take this Excel macro enabled workbook, then save the file. So that was all about creating the ROL function in Microsoft Excel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe to the channel to get more video updates. Thank you so much for watching.